In this video, I'll talk about Henry's law. Subscribe the channel and ring the notification bell. Finally, watch the video until the end. Henry's law is English chemist and he was relating pressure fake gas to soluble fake gas in a liquid. He studied the relationship between pressure fake gas to the soluble fake gas in a liquid. As we know, pressure has no effect on the solubility of solids or liquids in a liquid solvent. Once again, pressure has no effect on the solubility of solids or liquids because solids are incompressible. The particles of solids are closely packed together. They are tightly packed together. Therefore, there is no space between the particles of solid, means that solids are non-compressible. Liquids are slightly compressible. Therefore, pressure has only slight effect on the solubility of liquids. Solubility of gases increase when pressure of a gas increases. Solubility of a gas decrease when pressure of a gas decreases. Therefore, solubility of gases and pressure of gases have direct relationship. Mathematically, solubility of the gas is directly proportional with partial pressure of a gas, means that solubility equal to Henry constant times partial pressure, where C is the concentration of the soluble gases, P is the partial pressure of gases, and H is Henry's law of constant. Now, C is equal to Henry constant times partial pressure. And this equation, we call it Henry's law. C1 upon P1 is equal to C2 upon P2, which is also equal to C3 upon P3, and so on. Finally, which is equal to K. K is Henry law constant. The quantitative relationship between pressure and solubility of a gas is described quantitatively by Henry's law. Gases that don't obey Henry laws. Gases that don't show Henry law are the following: 1. Hydrogen chloride. 2. Ammonia. 3. Hydrogen sulfide. 4. Sulfur dioxide, etc. They don't obey Henry law because of two reasons. The one is they react chemically with water, and the other gas is they form a strong intermolecular force with water. Because of these two reasons, such gases don't obey Henry's law. These gases chemically, some of these gases chemically react with water, and the others form strong intermolecular force with water. Because of this, such gases don't obey Henry laws. The concentration of carbon dioxide or the solubility of carbon dioxide in a solution is 0.032 molarity at 3.0 atmosphere. Now the question here is that what is the solubility of carbon dioxide, or what is the concentration of carbon dioxide at 5.0 atmosphere? Don't forget the solubility of carbon dioxide at 3 atmosphere is 0.032 molarity. The question here is that what is the solubility of carbon dioxide at 5 atmosphere? Given the solubility of carbon dioxide is 0.032 molarity at 3 atmosphere, what is the solubility of carbon dioxide at 5 atmosphere? Now, P2 is equal to 5 atmosphere. So, what is the solubility of carbon dioxide at 5 atmosphere is the question. The required one is C2. When solubility of carbon dioxide at 5 atmosphere. Solution. C1 upon P1 is equal to C2 upon P2. Now, to determine C2, let us cross it. P2 with C1, P1 with C2. Finally, let us determine C2. C2 is equal to C1 into P1 upon, C2 equal to C1 into P2 upon P1. Now we know the value of C1, P2, and P1. Therefore, calculating C2 is so simple. C2 is equal to 0.032 molarity times 5 atmosphere upon 3 atmosphere. Finally, C2 is equal to 0.053 molarity. Now look. At 3 atmosphere, the solubility of carbon dioxide is 0.032 molarity, but at 5 atmosphere, the solubility of carbon dioxide is 0.053 atmosphere. As the atmosphere or as the pressure increase, the solubility of carbon dioxide is also increase. Now, let me ask the following question. One of the following gases has greatest Henry loss. Henry loss constant in water at 25 degrees Celsius. A. Methane. B. Neon. C. Ammonia. D. Hydrogen. Which gas has greatest Henry law constant? In another way, which gas has least soluble from the 4 alternatives? The answer is B. Neon, because neon is very low solubility in water. It has very low solubility in water. So, relative to the other gases, neon has very low solubility in water. Finally, the answer is B. The second question. Which of the following gases obeys Henry's law? A. Hydrogen chloride. B. Hydrogen fluoride. C. Nitrogen molecule. D. Sulfur trioxides. Both hydrogen chloride and sulfur trioxide react chemically with water, and hydrogen fluoride form hydrogen bond with water. Therefore, the gas that only obeys Henry's law is C, means that nitrogen. Hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride, and sulfur trioxide don't obey Henry's law. That's the only gas that only obey Henry's law from this question is nitrogen.